Hi guys, it's Vlogmas day 6. So I am back. Welcome to my channel. Like I said, Vlogmas day 6. I need you guys to like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so you guys can be notified when I drop a new video. Yeah, a lot of you guys, well, not a lot of y'all, but even on social media, some of you guys been saying, well, have told me that you guys hope CoCo is good. CoCo, you know, I don't know. I'm trying to figure out, I'm still trying to figure out CoCo's faking. Because CoCo is spoiled in these streets. And she's an older dog. CoCo is 10 years old. And she could be very much just in pain. Like, you know, you get older, things don't work like they used to. Maybe her hip or something was hurting and she was just like, you know. But I couldn't take, like, hearing her cry. Like, that was just breaking my heart. It was just breaking my heart. But so far, I don't even know where she at. She's not even in her bed. CoCo! She's laying underneath the tree on the skirt because it's soft. She loves soft things. I'm over here talking about her and she right underneath the tree. CoCo, come here. The people want to know. Don't judge my baby, because let me tell y'all, she went to the groomers Saturday? No, Friday. Did you go Friday, babe?
Friday.
She went to the groomers Friday, and I don't know why she looked like this. Here she go. Say hi, CoCo. CoCo, say hi. Look at the camera and say hi. Yeah. So I think she was just lying. You know, she was just lying. So I just spent money on her, cause you know she think money just grow on trees. Don't y'all hate when y'all kids just think money just grow on trees? I tell you, kids these days, man, these kids. Anyway, so yeah, I'm just gonna do a little quick, you know. It's like I ain't going nowhere, y'all. It's late. It's 7 o'clock. I'm not going nowhere. I did try to film this video earlier, but what had happened was I started eating, and then I started watching Netflix, and I started watching Peppermint, and I couldn't, like, talk and film and eat and watch a movie because the movie was getting good. Really, really real. This isn't my best eyebrow, you know. Just to let y'all know, this isn't like a beat face, so don't try to come for me. I can do a beat face, but don't try to come for me and be like, so yeah, because this is not that. This is honestly just me up here, you know, just doing a little something, you know, just lightly covering up these blemishes that your girl has on her face. Y'all, I don't even know. You know what? I keep saying I don't even know how I got these blemishes, but I know how I got these blemishes, and I need to quit acting like I don't know. First of all, I don't drink pop, but for some reason one day I was like, oh, I want that Diet Coke, and then all of a sudden I started drinking Diet Coke when I was drinking water all the time. Water is your friend. Why am I getting freaking concealer on my eyebrow? Anyway, water is your friend. I was drinking water all day, every day. And then my face was clear. It was beautiful. And then all of a sudden I started drinking pop. I'm not gonna lie, I did have like little breakouts here and there, but hormonal breakouts, you know, time of the month breakouts. And then it would clear back up. And then all of a sudden, breakouts when I turned 31, my face started breaking out like it ain't never broke. Like, I mean breaking out. Like, my face ain't never broke out where I had to go buy some acne stuff. What is this? So I stopped wearing makeup, really. I really did. I really stopped wearing makeup. I mean, I still play with it, but I stopped, like, wearing it every day. And people be like, it's because you wear makeup. That's why your face is breaking out. That's not why my face is breaking out. Because you can wear makeup and still have nice skin. You just got to know how to wash your face after you wear makeup, you know? People don't be washing their face, and people don't be, you know, washing their makeup brushes and stuff, washing their pillows and stuff. So, yeah, that's what happened. My face just started breaking out. And I ain't really about that life. So, what do you guys suggest? What? Y'all, do y'all watch 90 Day Fiancé? Because let me tell y'all, that show be cracking me up. Ooh. The doctor did give CoCo some medicine, and she did say CoCo was good. Like, for her age, CoCo doesn't have like any like kidney or nothing crazy, like nothing's like failing in her. She said CoCo was real healthy, real good in these streets. She said her shoulder did look like, you know, when she touched her, it looked like it was pain in her shoulder, but she got x-rays and nothing was wrong with it. So yeah, CoCo, she good. So that's why I think she faking, because the doctor said, the vet said nothing was wrong with her. Looking in the viewfinder, but because my monitor on my computer, I don't know what's going on. I don't know. Two colors. See, I don't do nothing crazy. Let me not lie to y'all. I needed it. And then we're gonna put some I'm gonna put some mascara. Yo, this Great Lash mascara, I forgot why it was called Great Lash. let's take the pinkish. I need to get regular, just clear lip gloss. I thought this was just clear lip gloss, but it got like sparkle, like a pearly color in it that I'm not really feeling. That I'm not really feeling, that I'm not really feeling, and I'm not really feeling these brows. That is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you watched all the way through, I love you. I love you for that. I really do. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell to turn on your post notifications so you guys can be alerted when I post a video. This video is going to be Vlogmas day 6, and then just stay tuned for day 7. Hopefully we'll do something fun because it is Monday and your girl got a real job and your girl got to work, so we shall see.